Back to Financierpro, everyone. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, comment below. How to pay yourself in an LLC. So there are two common options. You can either pay yourself as an employee with wages or treat yourself as an LLC member and receive distribution from the profits. Paying yourself as a wage earner. To be able to pay yourself wages or a salary from your single member LLC or other LLC, you must be actively working in the business. So you need to have an actual role with real responsibilities as an LLC owner. Where there are multiple owners, if all of the LLC members participate equally in the operation of business, you can't pay one a salary and not the others. However, if the only member that has a management role, you can pay yourself a salary without setting up salaries for other participating LLC members. So employee wages are considered operating expenses for the LLC and will be deducted from the LLC's profit. The Internal Revenue Service only allows reasonable wages as a deduction. So be sure any salary you pay yourself is within industry norms because Uncle Sam is always watching. You can also issue bonuses to LLC members who are employees, including yourself. Always include yourself, especially when in single member LLC, which I have. I always got my LLCs or DBAs or whatever it may be from LegalZoom. This is not a sponsorship, just saying they do it fast. It's online. I don't have to go into an office, yada yada. Again, this must be a reasonable related to the salary being paid. You'll need to file the IRS form W-4 to determine the amount of payroll withholding from each paycheck you receive. So the LLC will pay you as a W-2 employee and withhold income and employment taxes from your paycheck. You will pay your income taxes on your wages earned. Also, you can receive distributions from LLC profits. Another option on how to pay yourself in an LLC is receive distribution profits from the LLC. You can set up a draw to receive ongoing payments against the year-end profit. So if the LLC has $100,000 in profit and you, the other member, each own 50%, you can receive $50,000 under that. But make sure you have everything on paperwork documented, just in case you get audited, to be honest with you. Let's see. If you expect your percentage of the year-end profit to be $12,000, you can set up a draw to receive $1,000 each month. The total of all the draws throughout the year are deducted from the total unit. So you have 12 months in a year. That's $12,000, as you know. But your share of the profit ends up being $15,000, and you will receive $3,000 at the end of the year. And that's if you have a draw of total of $12,000, but your share of the profit is $15,000. So if you are the only member of the LLC, you will pay income tax on distributions, and you will file Schedule C to report the profits and losses of the LLC with your personal tax return. The LLC will file IRS Form 1065 to report how profits are divided among members. I always file my own taxes with TurboTax. There are other online platforms out there. I know TurboTax had that big hiccup when they wasn't paying people that stimulus check money, but they got that corrected as well. I am not sponsoring them. This is not a sponsorship as well. I just file with them and it's quicker for me and better. Their software is amazing. So work as an independent contractor. You can do that as well and get paid on an LLC. A third option for paying yourself is to hire yourself as an independent contractor, which I am, independent contractor, freelancer, or independent publisher. If you're a member of an LLC that prints signs, you can hire yourself as an independent contractor to do the graphic design for the signs. This type of arrangement might not offer as many benefits though. If you choose to pay yourself as a contractor, you need to file IRS Form W-9 with the LLC and then LLC with file an IRS Form 1099. So I file a 1099 myself. but it goes back to how much money you have brought in as well, and they will break down the deductions and expenses and everything as far as filing a business under your EIN number. A lot of people don't know what an EIN number is as well. That's a free number. It's just like a social security number, but it's for a business, So check that out. You can get that free on the IRS website. You can also choose not to receive payments. You have this option not to receive a payment and leave the profits inside the LLC. You still would need to pay income tax on the profit earned. So I wouldn't take that option if I was you. But if you guys have anything else you can add to this video, please comment below and please subscribe. I'm always here to share information. Thank you guys for being with Financierpro.